Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to Dr. Wanko's mentorship. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today's opportunity is in Harvard University. So they have an MBA scholarship going on, and I think you guys need to check it out. So let's go down to the scholarship details. So it's, first of all, we already know Harvard University MBA Scholarship 2023. The host country is the United States. Host university is Harvard University. Host business school is Harvard Business School, funded by Bostony Foundation. The benefits of the Harvard University MBA Scholarship 2023 is as follows. The scholarship has the following benefits. The students will be provided with a financial grant of a total of $102,200. That's $51,000 for each academic year. The grant is to pay the tuition. The students will have an internship at the Bostony Foundation in Monaco. The travel expenses will be covered for the internship. During the internship, the accommodation and food expenses will also be covered. So the eligibility criteria of the Harvard University MBA scholarship in the USA is for students of all nationalities. Preference will be given to students of Lebanese descent. The students must be excellent in academics. The resume of the students must show their promising nature towards a better world. The students must be proficient in English. So that means if you do not have an English proficiency exam, you need to take one. Lastly, the students must have an offer letter from Harvard University. So, how to apply for the Harvard University Scholarship in 2022. The candidate has to apply to Harvard University first. Once the students receive the offer letter from the university, only then can they apply for the scholarship. The candidates have to send their required documents online via this email, or it's a website. The shortlisted candidates will have to be ready for the interview. It can be an online interview, or it can be the Bostony Foundation. So the requirements for the documents are a copy of your CV, a photograph, GMAT scores, acceptance letter from the university, and the deadline is May 31st, 2023. So yeah, we have almost a year to apply for this, and good luck guys. See you in the next video. Bye.